In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate percentiles in Power BI. Go ahead and open Power BI desktop on your computer and load one of your reports. We'll work directly inside a report page so you can see the result in context. Start by selecting the visual you want to analyze. This could be a line chart showing sales over time or a clustered column chart comparing sales by product. What matters is that the visual has a numeric field on the y-axis because the percentile calculation needs numbers to work with. If you don't already have a chart, quickly drop a numeric measure onto a suitable chart type so you're ready to go. With the visual selected, look to the visualizations pane on the right side of the screen. You'll see a small magnifying glass icon labeled Analytics. Click that. If you don't see the Analytics pane, double check that your visual is selected. The Analytics options only appear when a visual is active. In the Analytics pane, scroll until you find Percentile line, expand that section, then click Add. Power BI will create a reference line on your chart that represents the percentile you choose, calculated against the data points currently visible in the visual. This line is dynamic, so it respects any filters or slices applied to the page. Now, configure the line so it communicates clearly. If your chart contains multiple measures, choose the specific measure you want to evaluate in the measure dropdown. In the percentile box, enter the percentile you need as a whole number. For the 90th percentile, type 90. For the median, which is the 50th percentile, type 50. You can enter any percentile from 0 to 100, depending on your analysis. Next, choose a bright color such as red so the line stands out from your bars or lines. Set transparency to 0% to make the line solid and highly visible against your visual. By default, you'll see only the line itself. To display the actual numeric value of that percentile on the chart, stay in the same percentile line section, scroll down to Data Label and toggle it on. The label will show the computed value based on the current context, and it will update automatically as you change filters or switch visuals, making it easy to interpret at a glance. That's it. You've added a clear, dynamic percentile line to your Power BI visual, complete with a label for quick insight. Thanks for watching.